Aephid CueBrain is a fun and interactive Android app for learning languages. You have a choice of many different languages you can practice, as you can see here. Let's start with French English. The cue card sets we have already done are highlighted in color. Let's pick something we haven't done before, such as Professions 1. The first time you load a cue card set, you will be presented with a view screen. In this screen, you'll get the chance to review the cue cards as well as click on them to hear their pronunciation.
Avocat, lawyer, acteur, actor, customs officer, douanier.
Don't forget to download SVOX from the Android market if speech for your language is not supported or is of low quality. When you're ready to start the quiz, swipe the bottom of the screen horizontally.
Avocat.
Note the person whose name just popped up. This is the person with the highest score for this cue card set. You are competing against someone from France who is likely learning English. The quiz screen presents you with the cue card at the top of the screen, and you are to tap the correct answer from the 6 presented at the bottom.
Lawyer, serveuse.
Whenever you choose a wrong answer, the cue where you made a mistake gets added back into the pile 3 times. This makes sure you know this cue by the time you finish the cue card set, and is a big part of what makes CueBrain an effective learning tool.
Waitress, conducteur, driver, actrice, actress, comptable, accountant, facteur, postman, domestique.
As you can see, the progress bar in yellow shows how close you are to finishing the cue card set.
Servant, douanier.
Also, the inner progress bar shows the ghost progress of the player you are competing against. It is green if you're in the lead and red if you're falling behind. If you are stumped on a word, use the horizontal swipe gesture to switch back to the view screen. There you can look up the word.
Pompier, fireman,
Once you are ready, swipe horizontally again to get back to the quiz screen.
fireman, serveur, waiter, éboueur, maçon.
When you finish the quiz, the results screen will show you your accuracy and your time in relation to the fastest time for that cue card set. You can scroll down to see your rank in the leaderboard in comparison with everyone around the world. Use quiz history to track your scores for this cue card set. Selecting Show All shows your scores for all your cue card sets. Let's go back to the load screen. As you can see, the Professions 1 cue card set that you just did shows up with the color orange, reflecting your accuracy, which wasn't very good. Long pressing the cue card set gives you access to more options. For example, you can invert the cue cards and answers. You can also tap the Load and Mix command to combine multiple cue card sets together into a single quiz. Here we have added Professions 2 together with Professions 1. CueBrain is a great tool for practicing on the airplane while you are en route to your vacation. Just remember to use the Cache This Folder feature to preload all the cue card sets you want to study to your phone. Then you can select from cache and load those cue card sets while you are offline. You can also create your own cue cards.
FFFF. F. Triple A. B B B. B. D D D. D. A. E. C C C C.
CueBrain has various customization features in the settings menu. For example, You can use the Identities screen to share your phone with other members of your family and track quiz history separately. You can select to compete only against people close to you. You can also select a different speech character to affect the speed and pitch of speech. Thanks for listening, and drop us an email at support@aephid.com if you have any feedback or just want to chat.